Welcome here at ISE at the Philips booth. We're showing you today our new LED 6000 series that we have launched here. It will be available in a 1.2, a 1.5 and a 1.9 pixel pitch. This display is an ideal solution for any meeting room or where the places where you need a 16:9 or 32:9 display solution. The display becomes available in June, July. And with the different pixel pitches and a brightness of 650 nits after calibration, it will be more than sufficient for any meeting room, even under the most light conditions that you can experience. What makes this display very special is that we use special ICs and driver chips that help us to reduce the power consumption of the display. So it comes with a black screen power saving and dynamic power saving features. And we also have included fire safety certification, so that the display is tested against any fire retardancy. Furthermore, you can build, because the cabinets are made of 27-inch die-cast aluminium, you can basically use it as a building block, as a Lego brick, to build any 16:9 or 32:9 display solution. We work with Novastar as a controlling system, so there's a lot of experience in the market out there already on the Novastar, so anybody experienced, system integrators experienced with Novastar, will find it easy to build with the new 6000 series that we introduce here. A little bit later on we will have edge finishing kit and also introduce a wall mount kit so that it is easy to mount, and with the interlocking system that we have, it will have a very good flatness. Of course, the cabinets come out of the factory, factory calibrated, so pre-calibrated from the factory, so you don't have to do that during the installation. So this is what I wanted to show today about the 6000 series. Thank you very much. Enjoy the show.